Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Fearless English podcast. I am Mia.
And I am Leo. Hi, Mia. Hi, our fearless listeners. We are so happy you're here with us today. Whether you are relaxing at home, driving your car, or drinking a warm cup of tea or coffee, thank you for spending time with us.
Yes, thank you so much. On this channel, we help you speak English fluently and with confidence. Today, we have an amazing topic. We are talking about how to stop translating in your head. We have 12 simple steps to help you think directly in English.
Oh, this is a very important topic, Mia. So many listeners tell me, Leo, I hear English, but my brain translates everything to my native language first. It slows me down. If you feel this way, do not worry. You are normal. Today, we will train your brain together.
We sure will. We have 12 easy steps for you today.
But before we start our main chat, please take one short second to click that like button. Subscribe to our channel, too. When you subscribe, you join our wonderful Fearless English family. Go ahead, click it now. We'll wait for you. Nice work. Thank you for subscribing. Now, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and let us start thinking in English.
Okay, Leo, let's start with step number 1. We call it the name game.
The name game?
Yes, Leo, the name game. This is for simple nouns. Many beginners think they need to think in full stories. No, start with single words around you.
Yes, do not translate. Just look at an object and say the English name directly in your mind. Let's listen to a quick example. I look at my desk. I say in my mind, book, pen, laptop.
Wow, that is so easy. Let's listen to that again, everyone. Leo, please repeat those 3 simple words for our listeners.
Book, pen, laptop.
See? No translation. Your eyes see the object, and your brain goes directly to the English word. Let's discuss why this works. When you name things in English, you cut out your native language completely. You build a direct bridge from the object to the English word.
Exactly, Mia. You explained that nicely. Let's try a real-life dialogue now. I'll point to things in our studio, and you name them instantly. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's do it.
What do you see over there?
Chair, window, phone.
Fantastic. Please listen to that again, our fearless listeners. Mia, please repeat those 3 simple words for our listeners.
Chair, window, phone.
Wow, fantastic. Look at that. No big, scary grammar, just simple nouns. You can practice this right now while you listen to us. Look around your room. Speak out loud. Say it with Mia. Chair.
Chair. See? You're thinking in English already.
Mia, now let's move to step number 2. Once your brain can name nouns, you need to add simple verbs. These are action words. Talk about what you are doing right now.
Oh, that's a great step, Leo. How do we do that without translating?
Use the present continuous tense. It describes actions happening now. For example, do not think a big thought. Just think, I am drinking, I am walking, I am reading.
Let's listen to a simple example of action thinking. Imagine you are in the kitchen. Leo, how do you think that?
I think I am pouring milk. I am eating toast.
Let's listen to those action sentences one more time, everyone. Listen carefully to Leo's clear voice.
I am pouring milk. I am eating toast.
Let's discuss how to use this today. When you do a simple action at home, say it in English in your head. If you wash your hands, think, I am washing my hands. No native language needed.
That's a great point, Mia. You're connecting the physical action directly to the English words. You're training your brain to think dynamically. You are improving already.
All right, Leo, step number 3 is all about your inside world. We call it label your feelings. We use simple adjectives.
Oh, I love this step, Mia. How does it work?
Instead of translating how you feel, connect the emotion directly to an English adjective. When you wake up, check your energy. Think, I am tired, or I am happy.
That's so smart. Let's listen to an example of feeling thinking. Imagine you just finished a long walk.
I am hot. I am thirsty.
Let's listen to that one more time, nice and clear.
I am hot. I am thirsty.
Let's discuss this. Notice how short those sentences are. 2 words. I am hot. This is perfect for beginners. Your brain can process 2 words instantly without translating.
Exactly, Leo. You don't need a huge vocabulary to express an emotion. Keep it basic, keep it real. Good job, listeners.
Step number 4 is a practical trick. Change your phone language to English. Mia, why is this a superpower for thinking in English?
Oh, it's amazing, Leo. We look at our phones hundreds of times a day. When your phone is in English, your brain is forced to see English words constantly. Words like settings, calendar, clock, messages.
Yes, you don't have time to translate because you know where the buttons are anyway. Your brain naturally connects the English word to the button icon. Let's listen to a quick real-life dialogue about using a phone.
Leo, what time is your meeting?
Let me check my calendar app. Ah, it's at 3 o'clock.
Let's listen to Leo's phrase again, listeners. Pay attention to the phone word.
Let me check my calendar app.
See, by using your phone in English, words like calendar become natural. You stop translating them because you see them every single hour. Try it today, everyone. It's a tiny step with huge results.
Let's move to step number 5. Think in simple questions. When we're alone, we often ask ourselves questions in our native language. For example, where are my keys? We want to switch that to English.
Oh, that's a wonderful technique, Leo. Let's listen to some easy questions we can ask ourselves inside our minds.
What is the time? Where is my bag? What should I wear?
Let's listen to those 3 question examples nice and slow.
What is the time? Where is my bag? What should I wear?
Let's discuss this. These are questions you say to yourself every single day. If you practice asking them in English inside your head, it becomes a habit. Your brain starts searching for the answer in English too.
That's a great question some students might ask. Does this really stop translation? Yes, because questions require an immediate reaction. Your brain doesn't have time to translate the question and find the answer. It just acts in English.
Step number 6 is very fun, Leo. We call it the guess the word game. Sometimes you want to think about something, but you don't know the exact English word. Shy or nervous learners often stop completely and open a translator dictionary. Don't do that.
Yes, opening a dictionary breaks your English thinking stream. Instead, use simple words to describe the missing word inside your head. Let's listen to an example. Imagine you forget the word for microwave.
I want hot food. I need the little fast cooking box.
I love that. Let's listen to Mia's description one more time, everyone.
I want hot food. I need the little fast cooking box.
Let's discuss this trick. By describing the object with simple words like fast cooking box, you keep your brain working 100% in English. You don't stop to translate. Later, when you have time, you can find the real word. But in the moment, you keep thinking in English.
That's a great job, Leo. This builds incredible mental flexibility. You are doing amazing, listeners.
All right, step number 7 is very sweet and warm. Talk to your pets or your plants in English. Mia, do you talk to your plants?
Yes, I do, Leo. I have a small green plant on my window. I speak to it out loud in simple English. Pets and plants are the best listeners because they never correct your grammar.
Exactly. There's zero pressure. Let's listen to a real example of speaking to a pet dog.
Good boy, Max. Are you hungry? Let's go to the park.
Let's listen to that friendly pet dialogue one more time.
Good boy, Max. Are you hungry? Let us go to the park.
Let us discuss this. When you speak casually to a pet or a plant, your brain relaxes. When you are relaxed, translation stops naturally. Your words flow directly from your feelings.
That is so true, Leo. Try it tonight with your cat, your dog, or even a flower on your desk. Just say, "You look beautiful today." It works wonders. Step number 8 is a daily habit. We call it the 5-minute English bedtime routine. Before you close your eyes to sleep, review your day using short English sentences in your mind.
Oh, this is an excellent routine, Mia. Let us listen to how a simple bedtime review sounds.
Today was a good day. I worked hard. I ate a tasty dinner. Now I am sleepy.
Let us listen to that peaceful review one more time, listeners. Notice the basic grammar.
Today was a good day. I worked hard. I ate a tasty dinner. Now I am sleepy.
Let us discuss why this helps. At night, your brain processes everything you did. By thinking these simple sentences right before sleep, you are telling your brain that English is important. It helps your mind process the language even while you rest.
That is a great point, Leo. It's like a gentle, cool-down exercise for your English brain. You're improving already.
Step number 9 is a huge secret for fluency. Memorize full phrases, not just single words. When you learn single words, your brain has to puzzle them together using grammar rules. That forces you to translate.
Yes, but when you memorize a full phrase, you can use it instantly like a single block. Let's listen to an example. Imagine you want to ask for the price of something. Don't build the sentence word by word, just use the block.
How much is this?
Let us listen to that block phrase one more time, everyone.
How much is this?
Let us discuss this. See, if you memorize "how much is this" as one complete sound, your brain doesn't translate. You don't think about nouns or verbs. You just drop the phrase into the conversation. It's fast, natural, and effortless.
Good job, Mia. Another great block phrase is "have a nice day." You don't translate it, you just say it. Learn phrases, not just individual words.
Step number 10 is about tools. Use an English-to-English dictionary made for beginners. Many students use a translation dictionary. They look up an English word and see their native language. This keeps translation alive in your mind.
Oh, I agree completely, Mia. A beginner's English dictionary uses very simple words to explain other words. It keeps your mind inside the English zone. Let us listen to an example of an English-only definition for the word beautiful.
Beautiful means very nice to look at.
Let us listen to that simple definition one more time, everyone.
Beautiful means very nice to look at.
Let us discuss this. See, every word in that definition is simple. Very, nice, to, look, at. You don't need your native language to understand what beautiful means. This prevents your brain from switching back and forth between two languages. It's a fantastic habit. We're almost there. Step number 11 is immersion with simple audio. Listen to podcasts like this one or watch easy English dialogues constantly.
Yes, when you feed your brain a large amount of clear, slow English, your brain begins to adopt the language. It starts to repeat the rhythm naturally inside your thoughts. Let us show our listeners how a repetitive dialogue helps. Leo, copy me. I love my cozy home.
I love my cozy home.
Let us listen to it one more time. Listen, discuss, repeat. I love my cozy home.
I love my cozy home.
Now, dear listener, you say it with us. Connect with the sentence. I love my cozy home.
Fantastic! By listening and repeating simple, clear dialogues, you are feeding your brain high-quality English fuel. The translation habit will start to fade because the real phrases are living in your ears.
Finally, step number 12. Celebrate the small wins and be patient with your brain. Training your mind to think in a new language takes time. It does not happen overnight.
That is a great lesson, Mia. If you think even one sentence in English today without translating, that is a huge victory. Smile and say to yourself, "Good job."
Exactly, Leo. Let us listen to an encouraging phrase together.
Every small step brings me closer to fluency.
Let us listen to that beautiful thought one more time, everyone.
Every small step brings me closer to fluency.
Let us discuss this mindset. When you encourage yourself, your brain releases happy chemicals. This makes learning much easier and faster. Don't be angry if you translate sometimes. Just keep going. You are doing an awesome job. Wow, time flies when we are training our brains. We are nearing the end of our podcast episode today. We covered 12 wonderful steps to help you stop translating in your head and start thinking in English. Let us do a quick recap of the key points so you can remember them easily.
Great idea, Mia. First, we played the name game for nouns and added simple verbs for actions happening now.
Third, we learned to label our feelings with easy adjectives. And fourth, we suggested changing your phone language to English.
Fifth, we practiced thinking in simple questions. And sixth, we used the Guess the Word game to describe objects when we forget words.
Seventh, we talked to our pets or plants. And eighth, we created a 5-minute bedtime review routine.
Ninth, we memorized complete block phrases. And 10th, we used an English-only beginner dictionary.
And finally, we listened to simple dialogues constantly and reminded ourselves to celebrate every small win with patience.
What an incredible journey today, Mia. I'm so proud of everyone who stayed with us until the very end. You are taking real control of your learning process.
Yes, good job, everyone. You are doing fantastic. Now we want to hear from you. We love reading your comments. It makes us feel so connected to you.
Now, I have a question for you, our fearless listeners. Let's practice step number 1 and step number 3 together.
Look around you right now and tell us in the comments using short, simple sentences, what is one object you see near you and how do you feel right now?
For example, you can write, I see a book. I feel happy.
I can't wait to read their answers, Leo. Thank you so much for watching and practicing with us today. Don't forget to click that like button and share this episode with a friend who wants to stop translating in their head.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and believe in yourself. You can think in English. We'll see you in another Fearless Tips episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful, fearless day.